The Titan Summit Flex. A revolution in design and innovation, embodied in a massage chair. Here at Titan, our focus is to simulate a better massage experience to everyone for wellness and relaxation. Featuring the Flex design, the track system conforms to the body to make contact in any reclining position. Whether in an upright position or any zero-gravity mode, the Flex design was constructed to make contact with the body in all areas. 12 unique auto programs within 5 different massage styles will offer a variety of catered massages. Introduce rest and relaxation to your body with the Titan Summit Flex. Titan.